Hi everyone! If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel, guys! If you haven't subscribed yet, there's a button in here that you can press right now. So this video, we're gonna be reviewing another makeup item, dun dun dun, and this time is a Makeup Revolution Midas Touch Press Glitter Palette. I haven't opened this yet, it's wrapped in a plastic thingy, so I have no idea what to expect as I wanted to be a proper first impressions review for you guys, and we're gonna do a tutorial as well. As you can tell, I'm not wearing makeup yet, so that's what we're gonna do. So without any further ado, let's just open this up. So what it says, it's a pressed glitter palette. Midas Touch contains 9 pressed glitter eyeshadows. For best results, apply over eyeshadow primer. We're gonna use eyeshadow primer later on. Alright, so opening this up. Ooh, so packaging is, as you see, a gold glitter, but it has a texture to it. It's not like smooth. You can feel a little glitter bits. Alright, so by open this up, ooh, I like the colors. So you get like a massive, humongous mirror in here, and then 9 amazing colors. We're gonna do swatches now to see how pigmented it is and how it looks, but oh my god, I'm so excited because so far this looks absolutely amazing. Alright, so first one is called Lavish, which is silvery gray. We're gonna swatch all. Ooh, it's very textured. Oh my god, this is like a proper pressed glitter. It has a bit of a creamy texture to it. Yeah, you definitely need a primer because it needs to stuck on. I mean, look at my finger. So it went on a finger properly on. So I'm gonna go with Magnificent. I'm gonna test them all out. Can you see this reflecting the colors? And last but not least is a Splendid. Alright, I am super excited. So far, I really like this dripping in gold. I am really impressed. The texture, if you use a finger, is very creamy. Pressed glitter, because you can feel a glitter part. But if swatching on a hand without any primer on, it doesn't really stick nicely. So you need to prime, as we recommend on the packaging. So I think without any further ado, we should start creating a makeup look. So let's do this. So on the packaging, they recommend to use the eye primer. I'm gonna do exactly what they say, and I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution Focus and Fix Eye Primer. By the way, I still got some lash extensions on after my holiday, and my lash extensions are holding like forever. I had them on for over 5 weeks now for sure. So we're not just gonna jump in straight away and use the glitter, this Midas Touch palette. First of all, we're gonna do a transition color, and for that I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette. This one was only £4 actually. I did the review. It's on my channel if you guys wanna check it out. So I'm gonna start in my transition color with this top corner color in here. Concentrate on my outer corners and then drag through the top crease slightly bit higher than my crease is. And then I'm taking this darker color and I'm gonna concentrate only on the outer corners of my eye. Alright, so our transition color is ready. Let's move on with this Pressed Glitter Midas Touch palette. So I think I'm gonna use these 3 colors, Magnificent, Luxe, and Extravagant, in that order, from inner eye corner to the outer eye corner. So I'm gonna start from the lightest, the Magnificent. So I'm putting a little bit of the eye primer on a brush, so the glitter pigment would stuck on better. By the way, you don't have to use a brush, you can just use your finger. It's totally up to you. I prefer to use a brush. It's really pigmented, guys. Very easy to use as well. As you see, I'm just packing in the middle of my mobile lid. I'm trying kinda to mix the colors up so there's no that harsh line in between where the colors meet. So just gonna jump in with this color on the outer corners of my mobile lid. So I'm coming back with Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette to the same color that we used before as our transition color in a smaller dense brush, and I'm just gonna go where our transition color was to make it a little bit more intense and to blend it together with this glitter. I feel like we are missing a little bit of the eyeliner, the wings, so for that I'm gonna use NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black. So the next step I'm gonna jump in with the foundation. So I'm gonna use a NYX Stay Matte but not flat in color medium beige. First I'm gonna prime my face, obviously. So while my foundation is setting in, I'm just gonna do the lower lash line. I'm just gonna use the same color as we used as the transition color from the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette. And just going very closely to my waterline and concentrating in the middle of my lower lash line. And then just blending out in the inner corner. So for my lower lash line, I'm actually gonna use some mascara. So I'm gonna use the Tarte Lifted Mascara. Just a tiny bit, once again, in the middle of my lower lashes. And then I'm just gonna brighten up a little bit my inner eye corner. So for that, I'm gonna use the lightest color from this Reloaded Iconic Division. Let's contour our face a little bit and then we'll be done. And the last but not least thing is to apply some lippy. So I'm gonna start with lip pencil. This one is by NYX in color Mauve. And for lips, I'm gonna go with Revolution Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment in Visionary. And the makeup look is complete. What do you think, guys? So my verdict for this Makeup Revolution Midas Touch Pressed Glitter palette is, it costs only a 10, I don't know if I mentioned this already, and you get 9 super pigmented pressed glitter colors. If you try and buy, you know, pressed glitter or glitter pigment or anything like this separately, it will definitely cost you more. So I think it's a great value for what you get, you know, it's amazing. It's super pigmented, as you guys seen. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna be definitely using this more. I love the colors. Thumbs up from me so far. I really liking it. I like how it sits on the eyes. I like that there was barely any fallouts, and there's no fallouts at the moment, so humongous thumbs up from me. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick review of this Midas Touch Pressed Glitter palette and the quick tutorial, as well as it's honestly super easy to use glitter pigments as well. And yeah, if so, please don't forget to press that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Ciao!